Today I'll be talking about how your custom budget gives you a custom wedding planning timeline. Before we jump into the video, if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Kelly Sugano, and I started A Perfect Day Hawaii in 2002 with the goal of providing peace of mind through planning. There's nothing I enjoy more than knowing I'm helping someone to enjoy such a special time in their life, so let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is determine how many months you have remaining to plan your wedding. I will be using 1 year or 12 months as an example because that's what many couples work with. If at all possible, I always encourage you to focus on securing your vendors like photographer, florist, videographer, or hair and makeup by 4 months prior. By doing that, you'll be able to focus on finalizing details, your wedding day timeline, and purchasing supplies that you plan to use between 4 and 1 month prior. If you use 12 months as an example and you want to have everyone hired by 4 months prior, you basically have 8 months to secure and finalize all orders with everyone. If you know you want to hire 16 vendors in 8 months, I'd recommend setting a goal of securing 2 vendors each month or 1 vendor every 2 weeks. Our planning timeline template will help you to easily get your customized budget into an easy to follow checklist. If you haven't yet, please sign up for our newsletter. The link is in the description below, and download our free planning timeline template. Go ahead, open it now. I'll be happy to walk you through how to use it. Pause this video and unpause when you're ready. The first thing you want to do is scroll down to where it says wedding day and replace that day with your wedding date. The rest of the dates should recalculate for you, but if it doesn't, go ahead and manually update those now. If you watched our video on how to create a budget, open your notes as you'll need that data for the next step. The next step is to scroll down to the rows where it says number 1, number 2, and number 3. What you want to do is to input the vendor categories into the applicable areas according to what you created from our other video that taught you how to stay in control of your budget. Continue going until you have inputted each category of vendor onto your planning timeline. Feel free to delete or ignore any unused slots. As you will see, there are some notes for our clients specifically who we are working with, so feel free to ignore those unless you have hired us. Feel free to either delete those notes or customize them after finding out how your wedding planner plans to work with you and if any of those services are things they may be doing for you. If you watched all 4 of our videos about your budget, you're ready to move on. We're creating a video to help you to decide if an indoor or an outdoor wedding might be best for you. Sometimes things aren't how they initially seem, so before it's too late, we hope to share this information with you so you won't regret whichever you choose. I'd also like to thank all of the vendors who helped to make this video, so I'll list links to them in the description below. Planning a wedding shouldn't be stressful, and I'm here to help. If you use the link in the description below to sign up for our newsletter, we will notify you when new videos go live, and you'll be directed to a link to download free templates and documents to follow along with our videos. I'd also love to hear from you, so please comment below what you'd like us to discuss, or for more tips and ideas, check us out on social media accounts on Instagram or Facebook at A Perfect Day Hawaii or our website www.aperfectdayhawaii.com. Happy planning!